Do you ever say, "Do you hungry?" Is you like pizza? And it sounds a bit strange? Well, today I'll show you exactly when to use the verb to be and when to use the verb to do, with super easy examples so you never mix them up again. Be versus do. Stop confusing them. Hi everyone. If you want to speak English more clearly and avoid common mistakes, you're in the right place. Let's fix be and do forever. Let's go. The verb to be. When do we use it? Is, am, are, present tense, was, were, past tense. We use the verb to be to describe a state, identity, feeling, or a situation. It stands alone. You do not need another verb with it. Some examples. I am tired, state. She is a doctor, identity. They are at home, location. He is happy, feeling. We are friends, relationship. I hope so. So these sentences describe what something is. No action, just the verb to be. The verb to do. When do we use it? Do, does, present tense, did, past tense. We use do when we talk about an action, activity, a habit, or a routine. Some examples. I do my homework. She does exercise every morning. They do the dishes every night. He does karate on Saturdays. We use do when somebody is doing something, an action. Use do, does, and did to make questions and negatives with other verbs, but not the verb to be. Do you like pizza? Does she work here? I don't like cats. They didn't go yesterday. When to use be versus do. Super clear examples. Use the verb to be when you describe a state, feeling, identity, or situation. I am hungry. She is a student. They are tired. He is tall. We are at the mall. If the sentence describes what something is, use be. Use do when talking about actions or activities. I do my homework. She does her makeup. They do the cleaning. He does nothing on Saturdays. We do exercise every morning. So if somebody is doing something, use do. Use do for questions and negatives with other verbs. Do you like football? Does she play the guitar? Did they watch the movie? Negatives. I don't know. She doesn't eat meat. He didn't go. If there is another verb, like, go, eat, play, you need the verb to do. Do not use do if be is the main verb. Wrong. Do you happy? Do you a teacher? Do they angry? Correct. Are you happy? Are you a teacher? Are they angry? If be is the main verb, invert be to make the question, not do. Common mistakes learners make. Mistake 1. Do you happy? Are you happy? Mistake number 2. He is like football. Correct. He does like football, or he likes football. We don't always have to say the verb to do. Mistake number 3. You like pizza. Do you like pizza? Mistake number 4. Do you is a student. Are you a student? Fun practice. Okay, your turn. Say your answer out loud. 5 sentences on the board, do or be. I'll give you 30 seconds. Go. Okay. Did you get them all correct? I'm sure you did. If you didn't, you got most of them correct. So let's look at them. Are you hungry? What are you doing now? He is a teacher. Do they play football? They are from Thailand. Okay, guys. Did you understand? Are you happy? Did you see what I did there? If you learned something new, hit the like button, subscribe, share, all of that stuff. I really appreciate it. Write a sentence in the comment using the verb be and the verb do, and I'll help you fix it if it's incorrect. This is a common mistake that everybody does. I've done videos on the verb to do. I've done videos on the verb to be. This one is combined together. So, thank you very much for watching to the end. I will see you next time.